'Twas 2 nights before Christmas, and all along the street, only the ninja cats were stirring, and they were making a beat. The cameras were set up, and it was all ready to go. The ninja cats were ready for Christmas songs to be shown. They decided to sing Christmas songs that are dear, but with a catch, the songs would show what they've accomplished this year. They screeched and they shouted, and were always off tune, but they tried their best, and it sounded okay fairly soon. So we hope you enjoy this, our Christmas delight. We stayed up to finish it until late at night. These were our first movies, I think they went quite well. Joel is missing, so Kellen hires a detective for a spell. The main people show capture our beloved friend, and so Kellen goes trying to find him until the very end. Find the clues that they left you and find out what they say. Kellen will find the captured Joel before the end of the day. Yay! Follow the clues until you get to the OEC. Torture him and he'll show you all the things you need to see. The OEC will escape, but Kellen can follow him. We put a tracker on his plane so he'd know where he landed. Kellen found the base, he was ready to break out Joel, but Joel had already escaped, he wasn't there at all. Joel sleepwalked and got away from the main people show. Kellen found him by pure chance, cause that's the way we roll. Hunt for Joel was finished then, but our channel had just begun. We've gone far with many movies, but it's still not close to done.
You're a mean one, Professor. You are very much a grump. You're as nice to all the students as Fiona is to meals, Professor. You're a stinky, rotten monsters. Old piece of food. You are lazy, gangster kid. You do nothing at all. You are nothing but a bully. Your brain is an empty bowl, gangster kid. I bet you'll never do anything that is useful at all. Now to you, Mr. Perfect. You have books inside your shower. You know everything and more and do it all without mistake, Mr. Perfect. Given your studiousness and study habits, you have no life at all. You're furious, Mr. Angry. You're yelling, shouting, boy. Your hormones are all out of whack, and you are very, very angry, Mr. Angry. The 3 words that best describe you and are as follow, and I quote, angrier, angrier, angriest. You were tired, Mr. Sleepy. You need to sleep a lot more. You stay up way too late and get up far too early, Mr. Sleepy.
You know Kirk and Picard and all those other Trekkies, the Enterprise and Voyager, which they use while exploring, but we have our own special space exploring heroes. Diaz and Banner go out exploring all on their own, going to different planets incredibly far from home. They get into trouble almost every single day, but they always get out of it in some very strange way. First they ran into some aliens, and they were forced to run. But their warp malfunctioned and they crashed near a sun. They were able to fly away, but they weren't safe for long. A US agent found them and kept the lights from being turned on. Diaz and Banner escaped, and they kept flying on. They will keep on going, flying all day long. Diaz and Banner, you will always fly on and on. Keep flying, you two, and we will watch all day long.
Meow Fiona, we will search for you. You are the best, but you're fat too. You are the best cat around. You're eating lots of food, you have no pride. You're so fat that you're 10 miles wide. You are the best cat around. You're slaying all the dolphins. You sleep the entire day. You only ever sleep or poop. Do something useful, please. Hey, oh, stop biting my toes. Stop scratching my arm. You're licking my nose. Stop bringing me harm. You're still the best cat around. You're only growing larger. You're really very fat. If you keep eating like you are, then there will be no more rats. Oh, you better lose weight, you better diet before it's too late and put us in debt. You are the best cat around.
Now this movie is over. It's all finally done. There is nothing left. No more songs to be sung. But we Ninja Cats would like to say one last thing to make it right.
Merry Christmas to all and to all a good night.